Okay, we're good to go. Dog's ready. Ate ready. Let's do this.
So we're off to another camping trip. Instead of going up north, this time we went down south to Batangas. We arrived a little earlier than expected, so we made a quick stopover for breakfast and ate inside the car. After that, we headed straight for Harvest Hills.
Ate, nasa bangin tayo.
It's quite a long drive to the farm itself. I recommend that you bring an SUV, but they say that sedans and small cars can manage it too. Honestly, it can, but it's quite tough. I have an Innova, and I wish I brought the pickup instead of the Innova.
So, pwede ka na magtrabahong ganyan. Pagbutihin mo.
So I cleaned up the car wheels before setting up camp because it's gonna be hard once it dries up and I have to clean it back home.
Okay, we're here. So I chose Camp 8. It's a little scary, but at least we're safe from like getting wet from the rain. Plus it comes with tables, so that's amazing. So I don't have to set up the other tent. This is good enough as our hangout area. Right, so that's Camp 7. We're in Camp 8. This is the Kubo camp, I think. Camp 6 is on that side. We can't go because there are people there. This is Camp 1. Okay, so this is Camp 1. Camp 3 is beyond that sort of cliff. I'll walk there later without the dogs. Because they haven't cleaned it, so the reason why I didn't choose it because there are so many, you know, the kind of grass that kind of sticks to the fur and clothes. Oo nga eh. Basta masaya sila, okay na yun. Oh, Ate Agnes, do your ritual. Go.
Salamin, salamin.
Masasamang espiritu.
Kidding aside, we were just spreading the diatomaceous earth to prevent the insects from getting into the tents. It's food grade, so it's safe even for animals. Actually, the chickens were eating it. So that's it. Let's set up camp now.
So we just finished with our setup. Look at that beauty. And we have this, so we didn't set up the awnings anymore. They're setting up their amazing tent on the car.
So now the owner decided to invite us to explore the place, so we took the dogs for a walk. That's Sir Eric right there. He's the owner of Harvest Hills. The dogs seem to really enjoy these walks. So now we're on our way back. This is a little bit of poop dodging. And here you'll see Winter is a little scared of the cows. See that tail? Normally that's way up, but it's really low because she's really wary of the cows, I think.
Early dinner. Good job. Hungry? Having early dinner because they're tired today.
Time flew by really fast. Little did we know it was already dinner time. So I got an extra cake for Ate because it was her birthday.
We don't have a candle, but I did get this one. Happy birthday, ate!
Thank you.
Let's eat!
So after dinner, we called it a night and had a movie marathon, and that's it for the day.
So far, best camping natin to. Oh. Movie marathon. Good morning, world. We decided to rearrange in here because I wanna sleep here also. That will be the emergency run to in case it rains super hard. But I think it's doable to sleep in here. So there have been these trending spuds that I've been obsessed with. Prepared one for us. Sarap ng tulog niya sa taas, no?
I know I look crazy, but I brush them out to remove all the sticky grass that gets to their fur, and also to prevent matting. After that, of course, we let them loose for a few hours, and then we clean them up and put them back into the crate because we wanted to go and explore the river. The current was quite strong, so we decided to get closer and take a dip in the river before heading back to camp. I think this is the part that I enjoy the most about camping. Finding these beautiful places that you'd never expect to be nearby the city.
It's the last day. There's no water.
How are we gonna clean that without water?
Okay, I look ridiculous doing this, but I want to show this. Because this is something that people are curious about. How do you clean up after like using it? So what I do, I clean it up before storing it and bringing it home. That way, I'm not gonna get lazy. So here we're cleaning up everything. We clean them up first before washing them. Since there's no water, we decided to take it to the river. I wish I could take better videos, but this is the best I can do. But I don't think I can take a video out here, something like this. But the other one's much higher than this. I dropped my peel. I remember we passed that way. The dreaded stairs.
These stones are insane. And we were carrying heavy, wet camping gear, okay? So it was already challenging alone, let alone carrying all these stuff. And this is us just drying everything up and packing everything away, storing them, putting them all inside the car. After that, we had breakfast, and pretty much that sums up this camping trip.